Ever wondered what truly makes a woman miss you the most? It's not endless texts or showering her with attention, and it's certainly not trying too hard to impress her. In fact, it's the opposite that has the most impact. If you're ready to uncover the psychological triggers that make her crave your presence, you're in for a game-changing revelation. In this video, we'll dive into powerful secrets that the most attractive, high-value men already know, but rarely talk about. These are the little-known factors that spark deep attraction and make women yearn for your company. Stick with me until the end, and I'll show you exactly how to make her miss you like never before. Let's get started. Section 1. The power of absence. Why distance creates desire. In this section, we're diving deep into one of the most compelling, yet often underestimated forces in attraction, the power of absence. It's all about understanding how distance, emotional or physical, can trigger intense desire. This isn't just some theory, it's rooted in psychology. The concept is simple. When something is in short supply, it becomes infinitely more valuable. Now think about this. Would you appreciate something that's always within reach? Or something that's rare? Something that you can't have all the time? The answer is obvious. Scarcity fuels desire. And this principle applies perfectly to relationships. If you're constantly around, always texting, calling, or lingering in her space, you eliminate the excitement of missing you. And here's the kicker. When you're not always accessible, you spark curiosity and longing. Absence is the secret ingredient that enhances attraction. It creates the perfect emotional distance for her to reflect on the good times you've had together. Without your presence constantly filling the space, her mind starts to fill the gaps, amplifying the positive moments you shared and making her crave more. This is when she starts missing you, not because of something specific you said or did, but simply because your absence leaves room for her to long for your presence. Now, let's talk about why most men, especially even high-value ones, overlook this powerful principle. Many believe that by always being available, texting, responding, planning, they'll keep her interested. But the truth is, when you're too accessible, you become predictable, and predictability kills desire. That's why the most captivating men, no matter how successful, still struggle with this. They've forgotten that tension and mystery are the real keys to keeping attraction alive. Without the space for her to miss you, all the wealth, looks, or status in the world won't keep her engaged. Think about it. Even your favorite dessert can lose its magic if you eat it every single day. The same goes for relationships. When you're always there, the excitement fades, and she may start taking you for granted. So, how do you create that balance of presence and absence without seeming distant or aloof? The secret lies in mindfully managing your availability. Don't manipulate. Don't play games. Focus on your own passions, pursuits, and goals. Whether it's crushing it at work, hitting the gym, or learning something new, when you invest in your own life, you naturally create space. That's when attraction thrives, because you're not just a constant in her life. You become someone she has to think about, someone she misses, and when you do show up, your presence will be felt even more intensely. That's the magic of absence. The space you create isn't just physical, it's emotional, and that's what fuels the fire of desire. Section 2. The push-pull dynamic, mastering emotional tension. Next up, let's explore one of the most powerful dynamics in the world of attraction, the push-pull dynamic. This psychological principle is the secret to creating and maintaining that irresistible emotional tension between you and her. It's not about playing games, it's about tapping into the natural ebb and flow of attraction. Picture it as a dance. The push is when you're all in, flirting, paying attention, and making her feel like the center of your world. The pull happens when you take a step back, create space, and allow her the freedom to come to you. This emotional back and forth ignites excitement, and it's precisely why people are drawn to the thrill of roller coasters. Just like how dramatic TV shows keep audiences hooked with their unpredictable twists, the push-pull dynamic works by drawing her in with emotional highs and lows. How the push-pull dynamic keeps her hooked. So, how does this dynamic actually work? At its core, it thrives on uncertainty. When you push, you show interest, affection, flirtation, and attention. But when you pull, you give her a chance to wonder where you've gone, what you're doing, and why you're not as available. This uncertainty triggers curiosity, and curiosity is a huge emotional trigger. It doesn't mean you're being manipulative or playing games. It's simply creating an emotional rhythm that builds desire. Think about it. You're texting her, having great conversations, and she's clearly into you. If you're always texting back right away, always available, you're taking away any mystery. There's no room for tension to build, no excitement. You've given away everything. But when you mix in some pull, maybe you leave her hanging with a delayed response, or you go a day or two without reaching out. You create unpredictability. Now, she's wondering what you're up to. The curiosity stirs her emotions and makes her crave more of your attention. She becomes more invested because she's not sure where she stands, and that's exactly what keeps her coming back. Why push-pull is key for long-term attraction. Here's the thing. The push-pull dynamic isn't just for the initial stages of dating. It's crucial for keeping the spark alive in long-term relationships as well. After months or even years together, it's easy to fall into a predictable routine where everything feels too comfortable. While stability is important, too much comfort can breed complacency, and that's when attraction starts to fade. The key to longevity is to keep things exciting and fresh by applying the push-pull dynamic. You want her to feel like there's always a bit of mystery, a little spark of unpredictability. When you're available all the time, she might take you for granted. But when you create that perfect balance, where she knows you're invested but can't always predict your next move, that's when the real magic happens. The push-pull dynamic ensures she's always emotionally engaged and eager for more. Section 3. Self-sufficiency, the core of attraction. Now, let's explore one of the most irresistible qualities a man can possess: self-sufficiency. This goes far beyond just having a steady income or a successful career. It's about being emotionally self-reliant, creating a fulfilling life outside the relationship, and not depending on her for your happiness or validation. When you embody self-sufficiency, you become a magnet for attraction. Why women crave emotional independence. The truth is, women are deeply drawn to men who are self-sufficient, and here's why. A man who is emotionally independent doesn't look to her to fill his emotional void. He's not constantly seeking her approval or fishing for validation. Instead, he exudes confidence, knowing he's enough on his own. He's driven by his own ambitions and passions, which makes him inherently captivating. This self-assurance is magnetic. It creates an aura of strength and resilience, showing her that you're a man who stands on his own 2 feet without needing constant reassurance from anyone. What self-sufficiency looks like in action. Being self-sufficient doesn't mean shutting her out or pretending you don't care. It's about building a life so rich, so full of purpose, that her presence adds to it, not defines it. Imagine you're working on a passion project, advancing your career, or hitting fitness goals. These pursuits fuel your life, and that energy is contagious. You're not just waiting around for her to fill your time. Your life has purpose, and that makes you incredibly attractive. Similarly, taking care of your body and mind signals self-respect and discipline, which are qualities that women admire. It's not just about looking good, It's about showing that you value yourself enough to invest in your well-being and that confidence radiates from you. Why self-sufficiency drives desire. When you're emotionally self-sufficient, you automatically become less available. You're not glued to your phone, waiting for her texts or seeking her attention at every turn. Instead, you're busy living your own life, and this unpredictability makes you far more interesting. The fact that you're not constantly pursuing her creates a sense of mystery and longing. Most men fall into the trap of trying to please, seeking approval, and being available 24/7. But when you don't need her validation, you stand out. This lack of desperation is incredibly attractive. Women don't want a man who's always at their beck and call. They want someone who has his own life, who's already whole, and whose presence in the relationship is a choice, not a need. When you stop chasing her, she'll start chasing you. The more emotionally independent you are, the more she'll crave your attention and want to be a part of your world. Section 4. The psychological trigger of uncertainty. The secret weapon. Now, let's uncover one of the most powerful psychological tools in attraction: uncertainty. We all crave certainty, especially when it comes to relationships. We want to know where we stand, what's coming next, and what the future holds. But here's the twist. It's the very absence of certainty that creates the strongest emotional reactions. This emotional tension is a magnetic force, something that draws people in and keeps them hooked. It's called intermittent reinforcement, and it's the same principle behind why people get addicted to gambling. The unpredictability of winning keeps them invested, always chasing that next high. And the same dynamic works in relationships. How uncertainty fuels attraction. Uncertainty in relationships creates emotional magnetism. When you're unpredictable, when you're not always at her beck and call, it piques her curiosity. She begins to wonder what you're doing, where you're at, and when she'll hear from you next. This sense of unpredictability isn't about being flaky or unreliable. It's about creating an emotional dynamic where she never knows exactly what's coming, but in a thrilling, exciting way. Think about it. One week you surprise her with a spontaneous adventure, and the next, you're laser-focused on your personal goals. This keeps her on her toes, never quite sure what to expect, and that makes the relationship spark with excitement. Why uncertainty makes her long for you. When everything in a relationship becomes too predictable, constant texts, regular dates, and always being available, emotional tension fades. There's no mystery, no excitement. But by introducing a little uncertainty, you trigger a mental loop. She'll start thinking about you more because she doesn't have all the answers. Her mind races with possibilities, wondering what you're up to, why you're not texting back right away, and when she'll see you again. This uncertainty locks her attention on you, making her miss you even when you're not around. It's the same reason people binge-watch shows with cliffhangers and suspense. The brain craves resolution, and when it doesn't get it, it stays hooked, wanting more. By adding this psychological trigger of uncertainty into the mix, you keep her emotionally engaged, thinking about you, and craving the next chapter in your story together. This is where the deepest attraction forms, when her curiosity and emotions are kept on edge, always waiting for the next thrilling moment with you. Conclusion: mastering the art of attraction. To bring it all together, mastering the art of attraction comes down to unlocking the power of 4 essential principles: scarcity, the push-pull dynamic, self-sufficiency, and uncertainty. These psychological triggers are the secret weapons that create emotional tension, intensify attraction, and keep her captivated. They help build an aura of mystery and excitement, making her long for your presence even more. When you apply these strategies effectively, You'll notice a deepening of the emotional connection that keeps her invested in the relationship. But let's be clear, this isn't about playing games or manipulating her emotions. It's about focusing on the most important relationship of all, the one with yourself. When you become a man who is confident, self-sufficient, emotionally independent, and driven by a powerful sense of purpose, you naturally become magnetic. You won't have to chase her. Instead, she will be drawn to you by the energy you radiate from living your life on your own terms. And remember, space is essential. When you give her room to miss you, the attraction will build even stronger. So stop worrying about trying to win her over, and instead, start focusing on becoming the best version of yourself. Become the man who inspires curiosity, who stands out from the crowd, and who leaves her thinking about you long after you're gone. Become the man she can't stop missing, the man who makes her heart race every time you're not around.